In recent years, there has been an increase in popularity among cacti and succulent plants. While their intriguing forms are aesthetically pleasing, succulents also possess traits that make them perfect plants to be grown in regions affected by the drought. Mark Mort, an ecology and evolutionary biology professor at the University of Kansas, explains why succulents are gaining attention in environments with extreme weather conditions.
I think that there is a lot of pressure in terms of we know climate is changing, and we have to look no further than our own state, but certainly look to California and what they're going through right now with wide scale, loss of being able to water your lawns and people growing lawns where they never should have. And there's a huge movement there now to start xeriscaping or using, in some best case scenario, native succulent plants that can persist in those kinds of habitats.
Mort also explains why he thinks succulents have such an eye-catching quality.
But these plants are just like right out of Dr. Seuss. They're intriguing. They're incredibly interesting.
Signing out for J304, this has been Libby Souter.